welcome back to my channel. It's Hairlista here again, bringing you another video. And in this video I'm going to be reviewing one of the products I use for my hair. Plus, if you know you are interested in hair care videos, tea, proteins and many more, make sure to join the family by subscribing to this beautiful channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. As you guys could see from my hair care products video, I am not really a product junkie. I use a few products and I'm going to be reviewing one of those few products I use today. And so the product I'm going to be reviewing today is Elan Mentholated conditioner, and this is the product. This is not a sponsored video, it's just my personal opinion on the use of this product. I don't really use this conditioner that much, like I mentioned in my hair care product videos. I'm going to leave the link down to that video below so you can check that out if you're interested. The only time I use this is when my hair is itchy, probably after I've been in a long-term protective style or when I have not washed my hair in quite some time. So that's when I use this product, because apart from the effects on itching, I have not really seen any other effect on my hair. The cup says Elan Mentholated conditioner for dandruff control, deep conditioning, ideal for both natural and chemically processed hair. The benefits: effectively combats dandruff, soothes dry, itchy and irritating scalp and eliminates flake. It repairs, revitalizes and strengthens damaged hair, adds body to thin, limp hair and sheen to dull, lifeless hair, restoring beauty and healthy look, leaves hair soft, smooth, shiny, silky and tangle free, improves the elasticity of hair and protects against breakage, shedding and split ends. For the ingredients, it contains water, emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, camphor, paraffin oil, menthol, Nutrilon and perfume. For me personally, after using it, for conditioning effects, moisturizing effects, protein effects, I didn't really see any. It can help with detangling a little, but for moisturizing effect, it didn't moisturize my hair when I used it. I don't know, it may work for you, but for me personally, it didn't really work. For protein effect, I didn't see any either. What this actually did for my hair was get rid of itchy scalp. So that's why I use it only when I have itchy scalp, probably after taking down a long-term protective style or when I haven't washed my hair in a while. But the other thing I like about this product is that its color, like I just love the color, and it has a creamy consistency. And I love the tingly sensation I usually get on my scalp when I apply this product. So that's why I personally loved it. If this scalp finish, should I buy again? Yeah, I would, because it really helps with itchy scalp. Since most of the time I am usually in a long-term protective style, after taking it down, this is such a lifesaver. So I'll definitely purchase this again if this product finishes. But for moisturizing and protein effects on my hair, I didn't see any. I have other products when I want to deep condition my hair. You can check out my videos on them. I'll make sure to leave them down in the description box below so you can check them out if you are interested. That's all I have to say about this product. If you have any more questions about this product, you can leave it down in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this wonderful channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.